thing of you, that you will always be my dream of you, that I should never wake to find untrue. All this I believed and rested on, forever vanished like a vision gone out into the night. How few there are who, striking us a chord we knew existed, but seldom heard its tone. We tremble at the half-forgotten sound. The world is full of rude awakenings and heaven-born castles, shattered to the ground, and still our human longing vainly clings. I ask one thing of you, that you will always be my dream of you, that